All right, there we go. We're all good and live here. Switch computers. Beautiful. All right, I'm not on a Mac. I think I should be live, right? Oh God, I hope I'm live on the right account. Am I live on the right account? Oh God, am I not live on the right account? Oops. Pseudo Kid Gaming. Did I go live on gaming by accident? Okay, cool. Thank God. All right. Just gonna post this over to the live announcements here for day 3 here. There we go. You're on the right account. Yeah, I'm on my regular account. So the other account, is PseudoKid Gaming. And PseudoKid Gaming, well, it's not entirely finished setting up. It is strictly about getting. It's just about gaming. So I'm just going to be using that account to do gaming related stuff, like actual gaming, versus with the account I'm currently on, I'm using that to do development stuff and anything else. I just don't want to like. Right. Hello. Welcome back. Wait, you can hear me, right? There we go. So that's the gaming one. In case anybody's wanting to go and drop me a subscribe there or anything. Anyways, sorry, move some stuff out of the way there. How are you doing today, Jack? And I am audible, right? Like I should be. Okay, whatever. Fairly positive I'm audible. All right, so we kind of like started doing. Wait, I have 2 of this open. Yeah, here we go. That's good. I am very happy to hear this. So we started creating the animations, and I ended up going with a round area for the hitboxes because they just seemed right. Like the square box is kind of like shoot out in odd directions, making it feel weird. So I went with round. Although I feel like maybe they should be hill shaped, and then I'll like adjust them, like squish them down. So I think I'm gonna probably do that actually now. So that'll be NPC here, and then I want to change this to a capsule, and we'll shrink it down, but we turned it into not what I wanted. Oh, here we go. I see how that works. Now, how do I rotate degrees? Here we go. This is 90 degrees. There we go. Beautiful. I like the rounded ones, but I prefer egg-shaped. Yeah. I think egg is probably going to end up being the right shape that we're looking for here. Keep in mind, all of these are going to change very soon. We've got some new sprite stuff coming. So I'm looking forward to that. I feel like he is not in the right spot. Maybe it's a vertical frame increase. Is he offset? He looks offset. He's not. I don't think. Ah, whatever. Whatever. Okay, so the shape here, we're going to change that to a... Oh, wait, I forgot to move that down. Sorry, that's my bad. Let me move that camera. I need to move it down here. Okay, here we go. So this we're going with a pill, and then this will be 90 degrees again. And then I want to move this in and make it a bit smaller. There we go. Oh, that actually does feel better. Like you can get up close and personal with these skeletons. It's beautiful. It works. Sweet. Okay. So the next stop is going to be attacking, which is just going to be an animation. I think we've already set up the animation, but let's take a quick look here. Yeah, we've got the attack down, attack right, and all of that. So the next thing that we're going to do is, let's see here. We're going to add that to our code. Is this the right one? No, this is not the right one. New window. File, recently opened. Godot.MMO. Here we go. All right, so we want to take the direction here, and we want to find out if we're within distance of the sprite. How am I going to do that? Because like, if we look here, oops, not that. If we go back to our main scene here, right? So what's going to happen is if this overlaps with this one here, I want it to attack. So that's what we want. We want to attack if it overlaps. The other thing that we can do is, like, we want to attack when we're we want to be able to start attacking when we're a certain distance away from the player. But I guess the first thing that we have to do is target a skeleton. Right? So let's grab let's start targeting actually. We'll start targeting right away. Here. So that's going to be in our user script, which is around here somewhere. Here we go. The character. Not the character, sorry. The user. Believe there is a function for that. There is, I think. There's a function for a lot of things. So in the main script here, what we want to do is target, find out what is underneath the mouse. Now, I figured out how to do that kind of in here. So like here we would have on ready var. Actually, what we should probably do is create a new script just to handle user input. New script. User input. No, not user input. I guess this would be like a user script, right? I don't think I've got one of those. Let me double check. I've just got characters. So let's add new script. User. User set protection to blah, 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 blah. One sec. Godot to the Godot, can a node have two scripts? No, you cannot assign more than one script to a node, but you can extend a script from another one. Godot extending scripts. It's like not super useful. Like I'm kind of on the fence here of whether or not I should just make this like a, I don't know, it's weird. Process can move. Because like in my extended script, some of these processes just weren't inheriting properly, right? Although maybe that won't be an issue because like this doesn't actually have it. No, it does. Process. User. Wait, this is not what I didn't want to extend that one. Delete. Okay, so new script. Got the character which handles movement. But what we want is we want to handle input, or actually I guess targeting will be something that does happen. Yeah, I guess targeting will happen in character. So I guess that will make sense actually. Scenes main. So targeting will happen in here. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Func target enemy or target character or target object. Object Okay, and then here we want to have, we've got target, which will be a kinematic 2D body, because actually no, I want this to be a node 2D, because we want to be able to have just an item, right? Or actually, I guess, no, you know what? No, I'm just going to leave it with that. Distance, target distance. Okay. Okay, target. So here we'll say target equals object. And then we'll get the distance to the target. How did I do this before? So object, and then it's like in attack. Target take damage. This is like the old code that I was playing around with here. Animation, can attack, target distance. Okay, so target distance. We're just looking for where I'm setting that. Here we go. This is what we want here. So let's move that over. Okay, we're moving that over to here, target. This is going to be our object dot get position dot distance 2, and then get position. There we go. And then that will do it. And print target, current target, and this will just allow me to know that it's actually changed, because right now we don't have anything visual, so we'll just have something in the that will we'll have something in the code that will tell us, right? And then if we go back here, I've got a way to grab that. I think that I put that in. Yeah, here we go. It's a bit of a long function, so we'll say in handled output, right? So we'll say var selected equals get world 2D dot direct space state dot intersecting point get global mouse position. And then here what we can do is a for loop, right? So here we'd say for object in selected target user dot set target, or target object, sorry. No, set target, yeah. Object dot slider, and here we'll print the object. And then here we can come back to here and hit play. And then we see bad things happen here. Invalid call, non-existent function, set target in. Oh yeah. My bad. Forgot to update that. Set target. And then here we'll say set get set target. Wait, what? Oh, that's target distance, right? Target distance, and target will be just object. And there we can change that now to target. And that's not an int, that is a float. If I can spell float right. Oh, I did. There we go. And then here we F5 again. We see if we can actually click on one. There we go. Now, collider, we don't actually care about the collider. We want to actually signal for the input in that area. So like if something, like if you down click in that area, and that we can do through if we can come back to the skeleton here, I think that we can do that through what's called a signal, right? So here we've got this area here. What we're going to do is we're going to add a new area here. So we're going to say add child node, and this will be an area 2D. And here we will go target. Target area. Oops. Sorry. just doing that. We're area 2D, and then we're going to rename it. Rename to target area. And then here we're going to add a shape. And this will be a collider. Collision shape here. And then this collision shape here is going to be a rectangle. And we're just going to like not show some of these because it's getting a bit messy. So we just want to make this about the same size as the skeleton. So it gives it a little bit of grace here, right there. Beautiful. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come into here and on the target here, and we're going to say input event for this. And we're going to attach it to this here. Scene does not contain any scripts. Oh, wait. We're going to attach script here, and this is going to be scripts. Scripts. Target area. Okay. And then we'll go back into our regular scripts here, our regular area here, and we'll just open this up and we're good to go. So now what we want to do is we want to create a signal, right? So we'll start by coming in here, and we're going to attach that thing to it that we wanted, which is the I think it was input event. Emit when an input event occurs. Emit when the mouse pointer exits. Okay, so it's this one here. and we want to attach it to that target input area. And then here we can just do this. We can do print event. And then we're going to do target area input event. Leave a little bit of a space there and save. And then we can fire this up here and we'll find that these show up all over the place, which is kind of cool. There we go. Beautiful. And then what we're going to do is attach the if I don't think that's even what I wanted, is it? Actually, I guess it is. One click. I thought I was going to make this clickable. Maybe I can just do this. One sec. Let's just do this quickly and find out if this will work. Because I think there was a thing to make these things clickable. I feel like there was, but you know, I could be wrong. Pickable, right? If this is true, the object is pickable. A pickable object can detect mouse pointer, and the mouse is pickable. Oh, here we go. We just make this entire thing pickable. Although I don't think that's quite what I want either, because I think that makes it too big of a pickable spot, because then it will also factors in these, right? Okay. Input event, mouse entered, mouse exit. Yeah, it looks like that's just probably how we're just going to have to do it, eh? Okay, so the main here, we just want this on UI, and this is going to be a different click here. Targeted area here. So here we have if, and here we want it to be a left click for target. Or sorry, no, yeah, right click still. Right click will be target, left click will be target and attack. Here. And then we're not using most of this, so that's fine. Then we come back over to here and we F5. Now we don't get that massive print, but if we click, oh, sorry, we want this to be left click. Left click. There we go. Did I not make that a thing? Project settings, input. UI left click. Okay, projects, settings, inputs, UI left click add. That's why. Close. Play. There we go. Look at that. Now we can target. So that sends now that doesn't help us, because now we still don't know what is, like, we still don't have the concept of like what's under that. So we want to do an emit. This can be the first time we do an actual signal. So go dot signals example. How to use signals. Just want something basic. A little tutorial on setting a custom signal with a variable. Here we go. Now, I think that we send the signal from like this part here goes inside of the class that is, or the file that is sending it, not the class that is, not the file that is receiving it, right? And this is ready, right? So connect. So this would connect to all the signals. Collision. So above your, you've seen, I just want like an example, like literally I just want code. Let's check this here. Node 2, label 1, label 2. Find child node based off of name, sure. Do extend label, call method of parent, get parent, rest score. Get tree, get root, find node, deep label, true, false, whatever. Okay, emit a signal. To emit a signal, we first publish it with a signal statement, then signal statement with the name of the signal and optionally a list of parameters that are emitted with it. To do this, we will emit the signal method with optional parameters. Here's an example. Signal node ready. Signal car ready. Signal with arguments. Signal with no arguments. Okay. Resume execution on next frame. Yield get tree. Emit the signal. Emit signal on node ready. Car ready. Mario Dodger 1. Note that we have one or many signals emitted from a node. In the above code, we publish 2 signals. The yield statement is making use of an internal signal to delay emitting our signal until the scene tree has been built. That's weird. But whatever. Connecting to a signal. To connect to a okay, yeah. So here we're going to emit a signal. So we're going to come into here and target area. We're going to say instead of car is ready, targeted. And this will be object. And I think that's probably about it. I think that's all we need. Do we need who targeted it? And if we, how do we figure out who targeted? Let's take a look at some of these other ones. So we've got the event is the input mouse button. Yeah. What about some of the other stuff here? So we'll say event. Viewport. And shape IDX. Now, I don't think that it's shape IDX that we need. But we're about to find out exactly what's going to happen. Like, what are we going to see here? Oops, wrong one. That's what I wanted. So viewport, event, you share index 0. Okay, so we always know the viewport, but that doesn't really help. Do. Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Okay, sorry. I'm like not heaven here. Shouldn't say heaven, it's freaking hellish. Hate knots. Okay. I think for now we'll leave that. All right, so yeah, targeted. So this will be a targeted system here. So here we will say yeah, no, this is fine. Targeted. Yeah, no, this is fine. This is fine. Okay, so this will be targeted. And then we will emit signal. Player targeted here. Or user targeted. No, I don't like that because user targeted would be something different, I think. Yeah. Yeah, no, it'd be something different. I think this actually does make sense here. If event is UI left click, right? This will be targeted. And then we want to pass self. Would it be self? I think it would be self. Okay, so what we want to do now is see if we can get to the actual skeleton. Right, so here we would click an area 2D. So we want to get its parent. Was that in here? That was, I think this file here had some stuff in it, right? Yeah. Make get tree. Get parent. Get node. Label. Find node. Get parent. Let's see if we can get. No. This will be get parent, I think, will give us what we want. Self. This will be get parent. And then we'll go back up to 3 here and just comment it out. Come back here and we'll check. Kinematic body. Yes. Yes, I believe that is that kinematic body. Yeah. Sweet. Okay. So that's that that particular one, right? So here we'll say emit signal, and then it will be get parent. There we go. And then we want to actually pick up that signal, and we're going to just do this. And then in here, we want to actually pick it up. Can we name it? Can we like give a name to the parent? Like, I think we can. Let's see if we can get a little bit more details here. print get parent. Godot instance type. We can try get type. Dot get type. I think it's going to come back as a kinematic 2D. Get type is not a thing. Oh my god. ToString int. Is there a name? Get meta. Get property list. That might be it. Oh, bloody hell, I'm in the wrong thing here. Almost there. No, that's not what I wanted. Get property list. Yeah, okay. And then reload. It crashed so bad. I hate not to leather armor mail. Beauty. We have stuff coming. Potential body for leather armor. Stuff is on its way. Virtual method which can be overridden to customize and return a value of get property list. Set toString. Add user signal. Adds a user defined signal. Argument. Call. Connect. Disconnect. Emit signal. Get incoming connections. Get indexed. Get instance ID. Like, we could do the instance ID, but like, I don't think that's what I want. That might be it. It's the object metadata for a given. Get meta list. That's probably what I want. Let's try this. Get meta list. Edit group. Cool. That's not what I wanted. Get property list. All right, let's try that. Where was I? Here. Get property list. Class name. There's like so much information here and none of it is what I'm looking for. I wonder if there's just like a dot name. Let's just try that name. Worst case scenario, what? It crashes. I click on it and it oh, skeleton 3. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, so good. Is there anything else that we could like get from this without having to attach like an actual full-on like everything to it? Like I think we need to move the script, but I don't want to. Yeah, I think we need to add a script to this, right? Wait, this doesn't have a script. Why doesn't this have a script? Attach script. This should totally have the character script to it. So we come to here, scripts, character script. Load. Yeah, okay, there we go. And then in character, I've got to stop doing that. Name, okay. Export var name string equals character name. There we go. And now in here, right, we've got this nice long list here, and one of these is going to be character name. Wait, seriously? It's not there? Why isn't it there? There it is. Character name. Or I guess it should be character type, maybe. Character name. Actually, no, that works. Var character type string, right? And then this would be this would be like player, user, enemy, NPC, TC, TC. Beautiful. Okay, F5. Enemy. There we go. I'm getting a call, but I'm going to call her back later. Okay, so now that we've attached that, what we can do is we can say on here we can say type, right? So here we'll say targeted, and then this would be the get parent here, yeah, and then character here would have the character type. Actually, no, get parent just sends everything, so we would be fine. So this would just be the targeted here, like we had it, and then just get parent. And then this gives us enough information on the other side here to actually act. So then here we would say in signals, right? Here we would connect to it. Signals. That is not what we wanted. Get node emitter. Get node emitter. Wait. To connect to signals, we use the connect method with the node that we want to connect to. And we tell the node which one of its signals we want to connect to. Also, we tell it what method to run. The signal handler, when the signal is observed. And finally, we may provide extra parameters if needed, such as an ID number. Hopefully this will become clearer after a few examples. Okay, get node emitter. Connect one node. Was this called emitter or something? Emit signal. Was it the name of this file emitter or something? Where did emitter come from? Oh my god, I hate this so much. Okay. Now, and this is in the onReady. onReady. Can I just do this? onReady? No, it won't let me. Handler for node ready. Oh, sorry, it's just ready. Ready. I think that's right. Target area. Yeah, ready. Just underscore ready. Called when the if this child has. Oh wait. Does it already have it? It does. Fetches a node. Choose a path from the current node. Or wait. Fetches. Okay, so this is a bit weird. So let's go to here. And timer connect. Oh, okay, so we have to get the node that we are connecting to. Wait, we have to get the node ahead of time to connect to. Oh my God. Okay. This is like a sick joke. So essentially every node has to be connected to every node in the entire game, essentially, at all times. I literally don't think this is maintainable. This is like absolutely not maintainable. Huh. Okay, so we can't do it here. We have to do it outside of here. All right, so it's definitely not going in here. We're gonna put it in the main world. Here, ready. Connect node. But I guess before we could do that, we have to spawn all of our things first, right? So here we'll say, oops. We're gonna get this first. We're just gonna get this ready. Connect. Okay, so we know that this is silly, but whatever. So to do self node ready, car ready, make car ready. Okay. So this would be the skeleton self. So we send it self, and then this would be, wait. Right, this is the name, and then this is what we want to call it here, which will be bunk targeted. And this will take an object. And then we'll say pass. Here. Huh. Feel like there's more to this event that might also help a little bit here. Let's take a quick look at this. 3. Let's take a quick look at this event that is fired here. Mouse input. Get property, get method list. That's what we want. Here. Cool. Not super useful. Let's go here and we'll say event. Recast. Let's say signal, maybe? Because what we want is to maybe this one. I want to know the type. Wait, did we got the type here, right? Maybe I can look by this type. Here we go. To do mouse input event. What if we do in event? Input event mouse motion, mouse button. Input map. Ooh, MIDI, eh? Input event key. Okay. So this really doesn't have all that much. This does, though. Action pressed. Action release. Is pressed. To do. Action released. Get accelerometer. Wow. Okay. Is, I think this should be is action just press. Okay, so we're gonna change this a little bit here. Target event type. Yeah, here we go. Targeted, and then we're gonna give it back two variables, and this would be a UI left. This seems right. Bear with me while I screw everything up. Targeted. Here. And this would be the node. So this would be like get node y-sort skeleton dot connect, like that. On ready var here we'll just say var y-sort. It's a y-sort. And then here we'll say y-sort equals get node y-sort. Now, normally I wouldn't do that, but what we're going to do is we're going to dynamically add these skeletons at some point, so that's why we're going to do it this way. Turns a value, but the value is never used. Can I just do this and this would work? Yeah, I don't think that we really care, do we? No. These really don't care. I don't know why it matters. Uh, okay, there. And then this would be targeted. And then it has the variables that we want. Character. Sorry, not character, targeted area and main. And let's make sure that I've got this correctly here. It's in this one. All right, team, position, whatever. Emitter, node ready, self, node ready, and then emitter node ready. Wait, what? Extra hours, 0. After connecting with extra arguments in the editor. Oh, okay, here we go. Car ready. Okay, so this would be on here. Handler method for car ready. Handler method for node ready. Okay. All right. Targeted. Targeted event actually is what I'm going to put it as. Or targeted signal. Excuse me. There we go. Connect emitter node ready. I don't think that's required. Doesn't seem to be, because it's on one of them, but not on anything else. And add extra arguments. Like I think this worked here. Object here, and then this would be signal type. So print signal type, and then object. And this is either going to work or it's not. And now we're going to generate our skeletons. So I think that's going to look, let's see here, Godot, create instance of scene in code. One of these might load someday. Here we go. Let's see. Node.add method. Okay. Okay, so we're going to preload. So this would be my smoke resource. preload. And then this would be characters. What was the path here? Characters, NPC, skeleton, copy relative path. Beautiful. And then here we would do a for enemy in range 0 to, see here, n-1. So if we have 7, we want 8. And then we're going to do enemy. I'm going to say pass. We're going to come back over to pathfinding. Okay. There, and then here we will have a var enemy equals skeleton dot instance, and then we're going to do random. So here we're going to say random dot, or sorry, rand. Oh wait, rand range is just a thing now. Oh, okay. Rand range. And then we're going to do wait. I think just rand range is what we want. Yeah, rand range. And this would be 0. And screen size. How do I get the screen size? Godot get screen size. Oh, wait. Viewport, get viewport. It's February. Get viewport dot get. I want to get like I want to get the coordinates for the viewport here. Get camera. Go dot camera 2D. So we're going to attach a camera to them. And then we want to get that camera. Go back to here. So if we go to the user and we touch child camera 2D, create, and then what was it? It was select current property, current on, save. Okay, and then here, Godot get camera viewport dimensions. If you want to get the values that U set on the project setting. You can find the size of the viewport using this. No. In Godot 3, size dot x and y. The only up-to-date answer here, thanks. Get viewport rec size? No. Get camera. Wait. Here we go. Godot get users visible. Get users visible rect. How to check if an object is visible. It's in the visible screen. On camera, bool. Get camera rect, extended rect. Get scale. Like, I might just, you know what? I think I've got an idea. So it's between what, 0? And what's this here? What's this total size? Does it tell me? I guess if I go into here and just, you know, do this. Right. And then this as well here. Sorry. It's not needed. And then we come back to the game, we can run it again, and that won't be a problem. That's not really what I wanted, but like I might be able to see this. Let's see here. Close this. And it's, I think skeleton 7 is the furthest skeleton, right? Skeleton. Oh, it's this skeleton here. If I move this skeleton way the hell down here, and then move this skeleton way the hell up here. So this is 0, 0, I believe. So position. Yeah, this is 0, 0, and then this guy's position. There we go. So come back here. We say 0 to, was it 1020? And then this would be position equals, and this would be var enemy position. And this would be a vector 2. Vector 2. Rand range 0 to, what's the other number here? 590 or 600, I suppose. 100. And then we would then do, actually this would just be what? Enemy dot position equals that. And then we would say enemy this, and then we would then say add child enemy. Beautiful. And this is probably going to crash horribly, but we're going to find out real soon. Yeah, delete those. And then we go back to skeleton here and we just make sure that we've filled this in correctly. We have. Beautiful. Then we're going to just hit F5 and hope for the best. And look at that here. So does not work. Oh, wait, right. That's not what we wanted at all. Like, so this would be get node. Target area. Like that. Silly me. Oh my god, it worked, sort of. Is action just pressed? Invalid call. Non-existent function. Is action just pressed? Oh, beautiful. Is action I forgot to put a print. Here. Child. No. Yeah, the print is here. And here we say print targeted. Or sorry, emitting. Signal. Then we go to main, and the only thing that we do is print it, so we're definitely not receiving it. Is loaded from... Wait, what? No, it's not. Wait, what? Another resource is loaded from... So it's admitted, but we're not picking it up. So we haven't actually added it correctly. Beautiful. Print enemy dot get node target area. Okay, let's try this now. All right, so we got them all. It's definitely there. Okay, so that does get it, and then that would can connect to it. Then why is this not working? To do main. Okay. Okay, so this would be a var character list. And this would be a list, right? Or would it be whatever, we'll just say equals this. And then add enemy. Actually, no, we've already got that here. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so we didn't do this correctly. Connect, ready, self. Wonder if this is important. Car ready. Okay, so car ready here is not important. I mean, this is the one that we're replicating, right? So why are we... And this gives us 3. We did that. We did this. Yeah, event there. And then it's... Unless this is spelt wrong. And then this is not here, obviously. Okay. There we go. Helps when you remember to spell things correctly. There we go. Oh my God, it worked. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so now if signal type is equal to UI, left click, oops, UI, left click, user dot set target of object. Yeah, there we go. And then the targeted area, we wanna like draw a box around it, I suppose, or something, so we can see when it gets targeted. Or actually, how do I want to do this? How do I want to signal to the user that it's targeted? Let's see. Dot draw a rectangle around, or yeah, draw rectangle around object. Actually, wait, no, I have a better idea. Far better idea. far better idea. Come back here. What we're gonna do is we're going to create a health box that we will toggle on, and that will be in the HUD. New scene, and we'll say cancel. We're gonna do new folder, bars, or sorry, there's a name for these, and I'm gonna rename that after I remember what it is. New scene, health, Or, actually, wait, no. What did I just delete? Wow. Does this still work? All right, well, that all still works. That was weird. Okay, so new scene. Actually, no. Yeah, wait. New folder. We'll say combat. New scene. Say bar for now. And other. It was a bar, right? Progress bar. Yeah, create. Save, and then let's rename this here to what do I want to no, I'll just leave it at bar. Whatever. Wait. That's not the bar I wanted. Delete. Don't save. New. Where's the new scene? Bar. Other. Sprite. Is it Sprite? No. Yes. No. There was a specific bar that I was looking for here. Visible. Wait, I think I've got it over on one of my side screens here that I can pull up. Give me a moment and I will figure this one out quickly because I had it and I don't know what I did with it. I think it was in the enemy. No, it was not. It was on the skeleton directly. Oh, wait. Okay, so texture progress. That's what I wanted. Beautiful. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to grab some assets that we found in other places for health and gray and stuff like that. So we're going to just grab a quick gray bar here, copy, and we're going to import it to assets here, and we're gonna do a new folder, and this will be bars, and we're just gonna paste that one in there. Where's the paste? Where's the paste? Wait, I can't paste? Oh, that's so stupid. Reveal in File Explorer. Here we go. And that one, and then we're just gonna bring these over. And here we'll just call this empty bar, rename. Empty bar. And this one will be red, rename to red bar. And we're going to bring over a health, this here one as well. And this we'll rename to blue bar. Blue bar. All right. Now, for this one here, we're going to rename this. because I did this wrong and I wanted to make this a little bit different. Oh, okay, it's not even saved yet. Bar. Here we're going to rename to health bar. And then we're going to import these things to it here. And we've got an empty bar for the under. And then the over will be this. And then here we've got the max value of 100, right? And then the min value of 0. And we can say rounded, so everything appears rounded. We don't want to allow greater, we don't want to allow lesser. And then here we can see the value, and this is a percentage essentially because we've got it out of 100 right now, so we can say 50, and then it's 50%, and then it fills it. And then like if it's like 49%, it will fill it a little less. And then we can just save. It's beautiful. There we go. So, and then what we'll do is we'll just come over to skeletons here, and we're just going to add one of those. So we're going to instance the health bar, open. There you go. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to scale it down here. Where's the scale down here? Theme hint. Actually, wait, no, I don't want to do that here. Do I? Do I want to do it here? Yeah, no. This is a purely visual thing. Sorry. Here. Where was it? No. Center offset, here it is. Minus 20. That was not what I wanted. 0. It was not that. Margin? No. Ooh. Here we go. Minus 20. There we go. Beautiful. Now we just want to scale down this size. So here we'll say we want the size to be, so we've got 128 by 55, which is actually not very good. 128 divided by 55, right? It's 2.32. So like anything we want, we need to do 2.32. So I think that what I want is like, I want like 5 pixels, or no, 10 pixels high. No, that's, yeah, it's 10, I think is what I wanted. Does that need to be done here? Zero. There, and then save, and then health bars here. Maybe here we'll do, we want 10. Why am I not able to resize this? Wait, what? focus, clip content, scale. Let's say 0.2 by 0.2. Skeleton. Oh, it's beautiful. It's almost what I want. Okay. So stupid. Okay, so that worked. Can we then move this up then? We'll position it here because like that's something that we want. And then like here we'll always have it in the center here. So I think it's minus 20 is what it works out to be. Not quite. Wow, okay. Minus 15. Almost there. 16. Oh, sorry, 14. Or no, 13. Let's do 13. We're almost in the center. There, and this is 0. And then this, I think, should always start out in the I'll just have it start there. Yeah, that's fine. Because this one's like always going to move. Skeleton here. And then here we're going to say minus 50. 45 maybe? No, let's stick with 50. That seems about right. Save. And then here we can play it. Beautiful. And then here what we're going to do is attach a script to it. And this will go into scripts. Wait. Wait, no. Do I want to attach a script to this? I don't think I do. I don't think that was something I wanted to do. No, no, it was not. It's not. So that seems a little off. There we go. Beautiful. Sorry, save. It's a little more centered now. Okay, so what we want to do is actually do it here. Yeah, let's do it there. So what we'll do is we'll go down to here and come back to character. And then here we'll say health bar or wait. No, never mind. I'm going insane and I can totally do this in this health bar. Yeah. I can position this in the health bar. Yeah, no, this is fine. I'm going insane, don't mind me. I'm just going to continue being insane here. Scripts. Health bar. Oops. Wait, did I not attach that to the right thing? Rename. Health bar. Save. And then attach script to that. And then this is going to be in scripts and open, create, beautiful. Come back to here. And then we go into scripts and health bar. And then here we would just say on ready. Get node. Sprite. Var sprite equals, sorry, var sprite there, and then on ready, right, all we're gonna do is we're gonna get the values from the parent here. Sorry, var character is of type, well, it's of type character, right? Like of kinematic 2D, kinematic body 2D. Here we'll say character equals, actually no, we don't need to save this. I don't know why I'm saving, why I would save it. I don't want to save it, but we do want to position this. So get parent, and then it would be dot get sprite, or sorry, get node sprite. I think that's what we've called it, right? Here we need to go back to the skeleton, and yeah, it's sprite. And then here we would want to get the size of the sprite, right? Godot get size of sprite. Texture dot get size. Node dot okay, so this would be var sprite is of type sprite there, and then sprite dot get, or sorry, texture. Texture dot get size, I think was what it was. Video. So way to find the extents of collision to. Okay. And then we're just gonna print this to see if it worked. And I don't think it did. Maybe this is like, one sec. Maybe we need to go back to the documentation here. Sprite. Centered. Returns a rect2d representation of this coordinates can be used to detect if the sprite was clicked example. Wait, event. Oh, okay, so get wrecked. So this would be a just sprite. Straight up get wrecked. Yeah, okay, 3.2 get wrecked. All right, let's see if that works. This is probably going to not work, but there we go. Yeah, it totally did not work. Sprite isn't declared in the current scope. Oh, you know, that's why. Helps if you spell things correctly. It's like, why is this not working properly? All right, yeah, no, that totally does seem to work. I think that works. Let's also go and find all the prints because, you know, fuck that. There's too many of them right now. That one we want. This one we don't. There we go. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Do. Wait, no. This isn't even what I wanted. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Yeah, I just. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't want to position it in code. Or do I? Ah, screw it. We'll deal with that idea later. This is not needed code. Yeah, just not needed. Detach script. Health bar, delete. Just don't need. Just don't need. All right. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. Let's close. All right. Beautiful. We'll come back to skeleton here, and in the target here. In here we'll have that actually affected. But we'll have that affect the health bar. Oh. I'm gonna slowly go insane. Just it's gonna be great. HUD on ready var health bar equals get node health bar. And we just want to also add that health bar to the user. Like so. And then we also want to come into here and always set it to off. And here we go. And then this would be, I think, minus 45 is what we decided. Yeah, that kind of seems right. And then I think this looks a little off because like the animation player is having him walk. So he's going to move. No, he's swinging. That's why. Okay. That's fine. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. And then if we come over here, we can say on ready at health bar. And we always want the health bar to start out on a visibility spectrum of not. Visibility. There we go. And then we come back to the skeletons and visibility is no. Actually, no, on user, we always want it to be visible. And then here we want visibility to default to off. There we go. Oops. There we go. Because it's only the user that we ever want to have it be visible. Okay, and then here, right? When we target something, right? When we do the targeting, to do target area here, right? So we get the parent. Var parent equals is of kinematic 2D body equals get parent, right? And then we're going to use the parent here. And the reason here is that we don't want to have to call this twice, like the get parent. And then here we'll say parent dot health bar. And what we want is that health bar film mode. Wait, what? Oh, I guess because there's like a parent here, maybe? Maybe it's like object and this has visible? Godot. Make invisible. What? Object invisible. Load your screen, maybe it'll... Make invisible. Make invisible. That's what I want it to be. Godot toggle visibility show and hide. Oh, it's literally just visible. Okay. Health bar dot visible equals true. And then func not func detarget, and then this would just be this, but here instead of we'll use get parent. And then here, we can hit F5 and we can see all the errors that we have. So many errors. Play. Look at that. Oh, right. This is not correct. Because I don't think we referenced the right one. Wait, is it a health bar on the... Yeah, all right, we've got to change that. It's just 45. Delete. Oh, God, no, please don't delete that. I worked hard on that. Delete node. Here we would add an instance of health bar, open. There we go. And we'll go down here and we're going to say, actually, we can just do this. And then if we go to the health bar here, we'll just say negative 45. Negative 45. And save. Because I think that's what we set it at, right? Right. Yeah, negative 45. Skeleton, there we go. Beautiful. And then here we can just default it to that. Save, and then user, we want to flag it always on. There we go. And then here we can flag it on and off, and it's beautiful. And we'll save, and then we'll rerun. And voila, and then like here, beautiful. But it still doesn't deselect here. So now what we want to do is come over to the character here, and when set object target, we want to say here we want to say target dot d target. There we go. And then that will do that here. And then if I click, I get this beautiful, beautiful error of all the errors. Why is this an error? Set target. Non-existent function detarget in base nil. Oh, right. Sorry. If target is not equal to nil. Null. There. And then we come over here, we refresh, and we click. What now? Invalid call, non-existent function detarget in base kinematic. What do you mean? It worked it literally worked the first time. Oh yeah. Ugh. Character. So I don't need the D target. I don't know what I'm doing. So this would be target get node health bar is visible equals false. Wait, what was the error now? No. Invalid set index visible on a base null instance with value type of bool. What? Can would this please stop? Copy, maybe this. Like this worked for some reason. Paste. Save. Maybe this will work. Why does that work and the other one doesn't? What did it used to be? Like what did I have it as? Oh, that's why. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. But now we don't want these to show up with the wrong values all the time. So this is a type of what was the type here? It was texture progress. Okay. Int fill mode. Max value and value. Okay, so it's just max value? So I just do this, I think, on ready, right? So we're just going to do this. Textured progress. Health bar. Like so. And then here we're going to say on, so here we're going to say target, sorry, we're going to say oh my God. Slowly going insane. Okay, health bar. Okay, so health bar. Oh yeah, sorry, health bar dot max value equals health or max health, and then health bar dot value equals health current health. Oh, look at that. I have 0 health. All of these people have 0 health. It is amazing. Why is it so bad? Oh, right, because I'm not actually setting max health. So for right now, we're going to say 100. And that will fix this problem. There we go. But what we actually want to do is like do the calculate for this. So let's actually do that first here. Set max or calculate. Max health. Calculate max health. And then if we jump down to this, it's stamina times 100. So there we definitely have a great value here. Calculate max health, right? And then here we'll say health is equal to max health. Okay. It should be a return. Max health equals. There we go. Max health. Oh, right, it's current health. Okay, wait. And then I can do that down here instead of having a return. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Is it me or does mine seem a little less vibrant for some reason? Is mine like a different color? Huh. These are all like a little tiny bit different. I don't know why. I don't know how I feel about it. But they are just a little bit different. Like this one's got a white bar on the bottom. This one's got a white bar. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, it's... Weird. Okay. Yeah, it has to do with the scaling. I bet you anything. Has to do with scaling. Can I see this? Thank you. Yeah, it totally does. 100%. It's being cut off weird. Let's do some margins here. Margins. 0. 0. Wait, what? Okay, so it's not that. Definitely not that. Stretch margin. Whatever. I'm going to be replacing this thing anyways with something nicer. All right, there we go. It's fine. It's fine. It doesn't even matter. Wait, why do these all have... Oh, right, because the health bar is triggered on by default. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. All right, so the next one would be we'd want to figure out distance to the character to the enemy, and if we're attacking. So we want to set is attacking, and then if we are a certain distance from the enemy, we want to actually inflict damage on that enemy. There's probably a couple different ways that we could do this. Like we could emit it, but I don't know if that's how I want to do it, because then that would require us to like have like things like let's go back here and like look at the main scene. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to debug, and we're going to visible collision shapes, and we're going to just refresh the game here, right? See, we've got the visuals, right? These all like happen. So we've got a couple options, right? And like if we step into here, we want the enemy to target us, right? So if we step into a certain range of them, or if we come in a certain range of them, where these intersect, we want them to target us, right? But we also want to like hit them if we're within a certain range, right? And I think the certain range that we want is probably this box here, maybe, because that's going to be pretty on them. I think that's what we were using that for, wasn't it? Let's close some of these. Okay, yeah. Target area. No, that's the target area. Yeah. Wait, no. We have some stuff. I want to do it based off the sprite. Distance to no, distance to the target area, I think, is what we want. So like if we did set target here, play animation, let's do bunk attack range, or can attack target, can in range of target. And this is going to return a true or false here. So we're just going to print this for now. And what we want to do is we want to do target dot get node. And in here we want to do target area. And then I've got here a kind of like a tacky script. That will kind of work. So got the target, want the target area, which is fine, and then here will be so that, and then it will be we need to get the distance. How we get distance? Sorry, target distance. Here we go. And then this would be get position. Get position. Or actually, we should just do this, right? Get position. Let's see how this ends up working out, right? Get position. And then dot direct space state. Wow, I was really off on that one. Dot direct space state. Wait, I don't think that's exactly what I wanted either. No. Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. So target dot get position, and then this would be position dot distance to, and then the target. There we go. F5. So we've got nothing. We move away from the target. We're going to target this one here, and then we're going to come over here, and we see nothing because I forgot to actually call it. It helps when you do that. In range of target. If target is not equal to null, in range of target. That is not what I wanted. But way to screw that up, me. Distance to target is less than, we'll say 40. 40 pixels will be the difference between us and the target before we actually start attacking. And then here. False, false, false. Wow, we are never true. Just never true. Okay, cool. Get world 2D. No. Oh, wait. Distance 2, not distance. Distance 2. Target position equals distance 2 position is less than 40 right. Oh, wait, what? There we go. Okay, so if we then move this down to here, there we go. Wow, we had to get super close. I think it's literally, yeah, it's okay. So it's that collision box. So what we're going to need to do is to do target dot get node dot position, and this would be target area, and then we do this. Did oh right, I didn't wait, no, I did target, didn't I? No, I didn't. There we go. False, 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 false. False. So many falses. Ah. Get no. Dang it. No, I don't want to have to do that. Do. Oh, so stupid. Okay, so how I've got to do this is I've got to what I have to do is I come over to here, right? And I need to take this here, and this will be renamed to attack range there. Or sorry, melee range. Rename to melee range there. And then what I need to do is take the melee range, and I need to attach it. Oh, so annoying. Attach a signal to it, so when it enters a now the question is, which one do I want to do this on? Like, all right, so there's two ways that I could do this, neither of which I'm super stoked about, but let's see. Okay, so I can do this one of two ways, right? If I save this, I can come over to the main here, right? And we'll just play it so we can actually see skeletons, right? So what I can do is, if my melee range is, so I attach the signal to melee range, and if it's in range of this here, right? So if we come back to skeleton, the target area, then we can attack. So if melee range hits target area, we attack. Now I can attach it to the melee range, right? Or I could attach it to the I can attach the signal to melee range or the target area. And since target area is already emitting, I could just attach it there and it would be, you know, that much easier. But the downside of that is that, like, if to, oh no. Yeah, no, that might work. maybe, I don't know. Let's rename this. Rename. This is um agro or agro radius. There we go. Skeletons have a very low agro radius. We could say vision. Could be another thing. But we could play with that a bit later, right? So like vision is, instead of it being like this, where it could be like add child node. Just kind of bear with me for a second here. Right, and then we could do this, and then it would be like maybe something like this. And then what we could do here is just be like this. No, I don't like that shape. Wait, where's the shape? Polygon-based shapes are not meant to be used nor edited directly through the collision 2D pixel node. Please use collision. Ah, okay. Interesting. Ray shaped maybe? I don't know. Anyways, I'll just make like I wish they had a cone. Like a cone would be perfect here. Whatever. Anyways, so like it would like go out and then like up, right? And actually no, I guess this would work. We'll just make this half, and then we come into here and we just move this over here, like transform, and we position the x coordinates like way the hell over here to like 50, or yeah, about 50, 60. About that, yeah. There. Just go like this. And like this could be my vision. It's not quite the vision that I want, but you know, you get the idea. I actually want like half a circle. Is what I actually want. But they don't have half circles. Not like, oh, half circle. Perfect. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to delete that. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to call it a night. I've been at this for 2.5 hours, and I had a very long day at work. So it's going to be death by snoo snoo. Yes, death by snoo snoo is do you know what is the greatest feeling? Deleting code. I agree 100%. Deleting code is an amazing feeling. On the note of that though, did you want to see the game? It's coming along. Targeting works. Yeah, sorry. And like deselecting somebody does work, sort of. Wait, why can't I target this person? Who was I targeting? Oh, I think it's targeting me. Wait, no. Why would it target me? Shouldn't target me. I don't have a target area. I'm going to go sleep as well. All right, have a good one, man. It's a bug, but that's okay. Weird. It's just these two. Or sometimes? Oh, I know why. There we go. Let me fix that. If target is not equal to null, else if target is not equal wait, and target is not equal to object. I fixed the bug. And a beautiful bug it was. Beautiful. I might put like escape as like a thing where like if you're targeting, you can hit escape and it will like bring up it will clear your target, kind of like how WoW does it. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe later. For now though, I think that we should probably push this at some point, but I'll get around to that. All right, I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you everybody that joined, chilled and chatted and lurked, and anybody who might have subscribed or liked or whatever or commented in the future. All right, and I'll catch you guys for the next stream. Maybe tomorrow, may not be tomorrow. Who knows? It's hard to say. All right, catch you later.